Welcome to Compare to Win. The best keto shake is probably one of the most convenient and effective ways to support your ketogenic lifestyle, offering a delicious and nutrient-dense solution for busy individuals seeking to maintain ketosis and achieve their health goals without compromising on taste or quality. This versatile shake can be a game-changer for anyone on a low-carb journey, providing essential fats, moderate protein, and minimal carbohydrates to keep you energized and satisfied throughout the day. Number 5. Giant Sports Keto Cheesecake Shake Mix. Craving a delicious treat that fits your keto lifestyle? Now you can enjoy the rich taste of New York-style cheesecake without the carbs. This ketogenic-friendly powder mix makes it easy to create a satisfying shake. It's a perfect meal replacement that tastes amazing. Enjoy a gluten-free option that supports your low-carb goals. It's formulated to keep you on track with your ketogenic diet. For an even creamier and more delicious experience, try blending it with almond milk. It transforms into a delightful, smooth shake. Get that classic New York cheesecake flavor in a convenient shake. It's a fantastic way to satisfy your cravings anytime. Each bag provides 20 servings of this incredible cheesecake shake mix. Enjoy a convenient and tasty way to meet your dietary needs. What we like? Craving a classic dessert taste? This option delivers a New York cheesecake experience in a keto-friendly shake. If you're looking for a delicious way to satisfy sweet cravings while staying on track with your ketogenic diet, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who don't want to sacrifice flavor for their diet goals. What people say. Made a shake with some frozen strawberries, milk, ice, and a scoop of this stuff, and OMG, it's like a piece of strawberry cheesecake. This is the best tasting shake mix I've ever tried. It is not a meal replacement but is a great keto dessert. Works well making chia pudding. Satisfies the craving for something sweet. Number 4. Keto Science Chocolate Keto Shake Powder. Introducing the Keto Science Chocolate Keto Shake Powder. It's a delicious and convenient way to support your keto lifestyle. This powder is designed as a meal replacement, providing essential nutrients to keep you satisfied. It's formulated with MCT oil, collagen, and protein, key components for your ketogenic journey. This supplement is specifically crafted to aid in your weight loss efforts on the keto diet. Each container offers 14 servings, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Enjoy the rich, satisfying chocolate flavor while staying on track with your health goals. What we like? Need a chocolatey boost with added benefits? This shake is formulated with MCT oil for energy and collagen for your wellness. If you're seeking a keto supplement that supports weight loss and provides essential nutrients, consider this. It's ideal for those who want a comprehensive keto solution in a familiar chocolate taste. What people say. This product is a great way to start your day, providing a good balance of protein and healthy fats. The shake mixes easily with water or almond milk, and the taste is surprisingly good for a keto-friendly option. I appreciate that it contains no added sugars, which is crucial for staying in ketosis. Number 3. UpNourish Chocolate Vegan Protein Powder. Discover the delicious and powerful way to nourish your body. Our chocolate vegan protein powder is packed with goodness to support your active lifestyle. Experience a blend of 54 superfoods designed to provide comprehensive nutrition. It's a simple way to boost your daily intake of essential nutrients. Support your digestive health with 1.5 billion CFU of probiotics. A healthy gut is key to overall well-being, and this powder helps you achieve it. Get a substantial 21 grams of plant-based protein in every serving. It's the perfect fuel for muscle recovery and growth, all from vegan sources. Enjoy a clean formula with no sugar, no dairy, and no GMOs. It's a guilt-free choice that aligns with your health-conscious decisions. Whether you're following a keto-friendly or low-carb diet, this powder fits seamlessly. It's an ideal meal replacement shake to keep you satisfied. With 15 servings per container, it's easy to maintain your routine. Enjoy a rich chocolate flavor that makes healthy eating a delight. What we like? Searching for a plant-based, nutrient-dense option? This vegan shake is packed with 54 superfoods and probiotics for gut health. If you are looking for a dairy-free, keto-friendly meal replacement that offers a wide spectrum of nutrients, this is an excellent choice. It's best suited for vegans or those prioritizing digestive wellness and a broad nutrient profile. What people say. This protein powder is the best tasting powder I have tried. It mixes really well in a shaker bottle, doesn't have that gritty texture like other plant-based products I've tried before, is super creamy. I also love that it has a ton of minerals, probiotics and veggies included. Super easy to digest and makes me feel good. It sustains me for 4 hours just as if I ate solid foods. Number 2. KetoLogic Keto Meal Replacement Shake, Chocolate. Introducing the KetoLogic Keto Meal Replacement Shake, your perfect partner for achieving optimal results on your ketogenic journey. This delicious chocolate-flavored shake is designed to support your goals. It's perfectly formulated with macros to help you stay in ketosis. Enjoy the benefits of a balanced ketogenic diet with ease. This shake is enriched with MCT oil and grass-fed whey protein. These premium ingredients are chosen to fuel your body and support your active lifestyle. Experience optimal results without compromising on taste. The rich chocolate flavor makes it a treat you'll look forward to. Each container provides 20 servings, offering great convenience for your busy schedule. It's an easy and effective way to stay on track with your keto diet. What we like. Want a chocolate shake optimized for ketosis? This option features grass-fed whey and perfectly formulated macros to keep you in ketosis. If you are serious about achieving optimal results on your ketogenic diet and prefer a chocolate flavor, you should choose this. It's designed for individuals who prioritize precise macronutrient balance for peak ketogenic performance. What people say. This is a great product for keto diet. It has a good taste and is very filling. I love this keto meal shake. It is a convenient way to get my daily dose of nutrients and it tastes great. This shake is perfect for anyone on a keto diet. It is packed with nutrients and has a delicious flavor. Number 1. KetoLogic Keto Meal Replacement Shake, Vanilla. Introducing the KetoLogic Keto Meal Replacement Shake in Vanilla. It's perfectly formulated to support your ketogenic lifestyle and help you achieve optimal results. This shake is designed with perfectly balanced macros to help you stay in ketosis. It's an ideal choice for those following a ketogenic diet. We've enriched it with MCT oil and grass-fed whey protein. This combination provides sustained energy and supports your fitness goals. Enjoy the smooth and delicious vanilla flavor with every serving. It's a treat that fits seamlessly into your keto routine. Each container provides 20 servings, making it convenient for your daily nutrition. It's a simple way to fuel your body effectively. What we like. Prefer a classic vanilla taste with keto precision? This shake offers the same optimal macros and grass-fed whey as its counterpart, but in a delightful vanilla flavor. If you are looking for a versatile, keto-friendly meal replacement that supports ketosis and appeals to a broader palate, this is the one. It's perfect for those who enjoy vanilla and require a reliable source of fuel for their ketogenic lifestyle. What people say. This is a great tasting shake, and it is very filling. I was able to lose 10 pounds in the first month. I love this shake. It is so easy to make and it tastes great. I have been using it for a week now and I have already lost 3 pounds. This shake is a lifesaver for me. I am always on the go and I don't have time to cook. This shake is a quick and easy way to get my nutrients in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.